Symptoms of a blower motor resistor failure include loss of fan speed control from the cabin's control module. Schematically, the high setting bypasses the blower motor resistor, thus my only functional options are high and off. After disconnecting the battery, start by removing the fluid reservoir. Disconnect the coolant overflow hosing, being careful of spills. Disconnect the power to the washer pump, but leave the hosing intact and set it aside. There will be 2 bolts securing the blower motor resistor. Using a 7/32 inch socket, remove them with a ratchet. Remember to pull the top retaining clip on the wire harness before removal.
Tab over the top like that. Yep, perfect.
Pull the electrical connector and remove the old resistor control board.
Like a gasket maker or something stuck. That might be the issue. Looks a little different.
It's heated to hell.
This one is completely melted and needs to be replaced. When ordered, some of these parts come with additional molding brackets that don't permit installation, but that's okay. They can be neatly trimmed with a straight cutter.
Ouch.
Screw in the 2 mounting bolts.
Heard a little bit of cracking when I first got it started. I just hope that it's not bottoming out on something inside.
Reconnect the power and the wiring harness with its top retaining clip. Reattach the reservoir and battery to test it out.
Welcome to my house. There she goes.
Alright, all the settings work again. Go back, secure the reservoir in place for completion.
Take this, plug that in there.
He sucked his show.
Who?
You.
What?
You
Stole
should.
the show?